Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing what is called a beauty tag. I'm going to be answering some questions that was sent over by Ariell, another content creator here on YouTube. So if you want to see or hear the questions that I have and my answers, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. We're not going to be doing any makeup today, but I'm going to be doing what is called a beauty tag. So basically, another influencer tagged me in a beauty tag. She created she created 11 questions. And she sent them to me. So now I'm going to answer these questions. I didn't really look over them because I want this to be like on my more like natural and true reaction. So we're going to answer the question. So this YouTuber and friend, her name is Ariell. I'm going to leave her information here, or maybe both. Okay guys, so I have the questions on my phone. So I'm just going to read them. So we have 11 questions. I'm going to read them, then I'm going to give you guys my answers, all right? So the first question says, if you could only choose 3 products to complete a full face, what would it be? All right, for me, I'm going to say I need a foundation, mascara, and some lipstick. Those are the 3. Because you know, with the foundation, I can cover up any little imperfections I have. Mascara, I need to put on some mascara because I'm not gonna have lashes. So mascara, and then something on my lips. All right. Ooh, this one is interesting. One foundation for life, what would it be? Ooh. That's hard. So you guys know that I've been obsessed with Haus Labs, right? And I also love Urban Decay. So those are my 2. Ooh, Haus Labs I really love. Urban Decay I really love too, but sometimes Urban Decay can be a little more drying, right? So my face look really matte. And you know, at my big age, I need to be moisturized. So I'm going to have to choose Haus Labs because that's more like dewy and glowy. And you know, we don't want to dry our skin out or make her skin look nice, and we don't want her skin to look dry. So we rather look radiant. So we're going to choose Haus Labs. All right, number 3. Falsies or mascara? Definitely mascara, because the way my eyes are set up lately, sometimes the mascara, there's always that little part in the middle that's like annoying. Then your eyes start to run. Mascara, okay? The number 4, Hourglass, Ambient, or Rare Beauty Positive Light highlighters. Definitely, you guys know, I don't even have it in front of me, but you guys know how I feel about the Rare Beauty highlighter. So this one is easy. Definitely Rare Beauty. I don't really know the other one, but Rare Beauty I know. And mine broke the other day. It fell and the whole thing shattered. I'm still using the bottom part to scrape what I can. So we're gonna say it, Rare Beauty. Alrighty. Nails. Do we like an almond shape or a square shape? My hands might be looking a little crusty, but, and I hope you guys could see them. Definitely, I don't know, can you guys see that? Definitely I'm an almond shape. I think that it looks better with my hands, my fingers I should say. So we're gonna say almond shape. Square shape, I don't really like them too much. almond shape, definitely. Number 6, liquid lipsticks or traditional bullet form. I'm gonna choose traditional bullet form. Yeah, I do use those more than I use liquid lipstick, so I'll choose bullet form, traditional bullet form. Alrighty, so number 7, lip oils or lip gloss. Definitely lip gloss. I don't use lip oils that much. I only have a few. I have maybe like 3 or 4, but I don't really use them that much. I sometimes put them on like when I'm doing my makeup so my lips could look a little, you know, moisturized, but definitely lip gloss. Number 8, liquid liner or pencil form. Definitely liquid liner. I love a good felt tip liquid liner. So we're gonna choose liquid liner. All right. One beauty brand for life. That's a good one. I'm going to say Maybelline Superstay, or just Maybelline. The reason why I choose Maybelline is because if it's gonna be one for life, like you need something that's affordable. Maybelline is affordable and it's a great product, and there's so many things you can get from Maybelline. They have everything to do a full face, from the face to the eyes to the lips, foundation. I use their foundation a lot, so I'm definitely going to choose a Maybelline. Alrighty, one perfume for life. Okay, lately I've been getting a lot of compliments when I wear my makeup. Not makeup, when I wear my perfume. And do you know what that perfume is? Prada Paradox. When I tell you, I mean, I have it on now, and I put this on at like 6 o'clock this morning, and it's now 8:39 p.m. and I still smell it on my shirt, and I still smell it on my clothes. Like if I was to put this shirt up in the closet and don't wash it, I would still smell it the next day and a couple days, or maybe for a long time before I wear it again. So I would definitely choose Prada Paradox. Black or blonde? I'm assuming she's talking about hair, right? So definitely, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I really don't do light color hair. Honestly, I feel like on my skin tone, because my skin tone is a little, I would say I have a little warmth, a little yellowy undertone sometimes. I feel like blonde hair makes me look like I just need a good scrub, a good shower. I just feel like it makes me look almost like I'm dirty. I know it's silly, but when I put on black hair, I feel like it makes me look bright. It makes my complexion look bright. Not like I'm trying to look lighter, but it makes my skin or my face look bright. So I will do the videos with the blonde hair, but like I did a wig with a blonde hair. It's cute, but I haven't worn it since then. So I'm definitely going to choose blonde, not black, blonde. Okay, for me, I think that looks better on me. Alrighty, so those are my questions, right? So now the way this works, I am going to tag I'm gonna tag 3 people that they have YouTube also, and I would love for them to do this tag, right? And then they would need to tag someone else when they do their video. So we're just gonna keep it, you know, just gonna keep it going. I think this was a great idea. And Ariell, these customers, oh my god, I'm tired. These questions are amazing. I really love them. They were very creative, and yeah, definitely this is a lot of fun. This is something different, right? Let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to call out 3 people to do this tag. So the first person that I'm going to call out, I watch her channel all the time. She's my girl. She puts a video almost every day, and she does some great makeup looks, and she does like a little bit of everything on her channel. So I'm going to call out Nana Beauty, NANABEAUTY 1900. Of course, I'm going to leave her channel right here. Okay, and the next person is Tyera Brown, TYERRA Brown. She does a lot of beauty videos, perfumes, a little bit of everything on her channel. So that's the second person. We interrupt this program for some special news announcement. Okay, guys. We've interrupted this program for some special news announcement, guys. So if you are one of the people that I tag for the Ariell hashtag, I just wanted to clarify something. So if you're going to do the video, right, so you're going to be answering the same questions that I answered in my video, right? And in your video title will be, I'm doing the Ariell hashtag. Alrighty, and then you upload your video. You make sure you tag her like I did. Tag her on my screen, or you can tag her. You can also tag her in your in your title of the video. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that was clear. And then we're just gonna keep it going, and then you're gonna tag some other people, and then they're gonna tag some other people, and we're gonna keep going. And the video is gonna be on her platform and on your platform. Okay, guys. So I hope you have a great day. This is my microphone. I'm heading to work now. It's Friday. Have a great weekend, guys. It's 26 degrees outside, and I might be looking cute, but I'm not ready for it. Okay, bye. So the last person that I'm going to tag, she does a lot of great makeup looks. She's amazing. Like, her eye makeup is like top tier. Okay, she's really good and really creative. Her name is Mufida. I can't pronounce her last name. I don't want to butcher it, so I'm just going to put it on the screen. So I'm tagging her as well. So she's number 3. And those are all the people that I'm going to tag. Make sure you guys show them some love on their channel. You know, you will like their work. If you guys love my work, you will like their work. Ariell is amazing. And I do want to thank you, Ariell, for creating this tag and thought about little Michelle. Right, so I'm going to leave everyone's information. I'm going to leave Ariell's channel, Nana's channel, Tyera's channel, and Mufida's channel. Okay, guys, and that is all we have for today. I hope that you enjoyed this little content. This was a lot of fun for me, not to be doing any makeup. I'm stress-free. Just turn my lights on, and I'm ready to go. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave some comments down for me in the description section, and let me know what you think. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Just like that, we have come to the end of the video, guys. This was a lot of fun. I hope that you guys enjoy this content. You know, I'm trying to like do a lot of different things on my channel, and this was a great idea that Ariell came up with. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.